Hey guys, welcome to TechBase. Today I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to mute conversations and notification on Facebook Messenger. It's pretty simple, so let's get started. First, open Facebook Messenger on your mobile device. Long press the chat that you want to mute. Select Mute. Now you can see three options whether to mute messages, calls or both. Choose one. Tap on OK. You can also choose how long you want to mute this chat for. Simply select the desired time frame and tap on OK. Once you see a crossed out bell icon right next to the chat, it means that you have successfully muted the chat. And that's it. This is how you mute conversations and notifications on Facebook Messenger. Thank you for watching TechBase. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.